Today we're running one of the final workshops, putting the final stitches and doing the snagging for the first story of the tapestry. It's really amazing and exciting to see it really coming together. So we are literally stitches away from having this part complete. You can think about our tapestry as an East Anglian sequel to the Bayeux Tapestry. Over 19 metres. Story 1 gives us the narrative of the rebellion of Hereward the Wake. Hereward was an Anglo-Saxon nobleman who led a group of rebels in an insurrection against the Norman rule. So this is not only a colourful and beautifully made object. They're regional stories, they're East Anglian stories, stories that are certainly worth exploring. This has been 7 years in the making. It's been a very exciting journey and challenging at times, very challenging. I don't think anyone involved at the very beginning realised the scale of the challenge. Volunteers have so far contributed over 27,000 hours, and now this is actually almost finished. It's fantastic. Just looking at it now, this has been an enormous achievement, exemplary teamwork. I think it's going to look spectacular when it's spread across the 3 walls of the Great Chamber. It doesn't feel real, really. It's amazing that, that we pulled it off, actually. It's really incredible. It's a great achievement.